A metal cube of size 15 by 15 by 15 centimeter and specific gravity 8.6 is submerged in a two-layered liquid. The bottom layer being mercury and the top layer being water. So we have to find the percentage of volume of cube remaining above the interface. These are the four options, that is 68, 63, 40 and 25. So in this question we have been given a cube which is submerged between two different liquids. Okay, so the lower liquid is mercury and the upper liquid is water. So let's say the volume of cube which is present above mercury is V1 and inside mercury is V2 and the total volume is VB. So we have to find what is the percentage of cube which is present or which is remaining above the interface, and this is the interface. So we have to find V1 by VB into 100. So this value we have to find out. So the solution for this question is C. So we have been given specific gravity of block as 8.6. So the entire block specific gravity is 8.6. So if we use the force analysis, we can say that the weight of the body, that is M of body into G, will be equal to buoyant force due to this water and buoyant force by mercury. So FB1 and FB2. So this mass can be written as mass density into volume, and acceleration due to gravity, it is constant. Similarly, these other forces we can write it as mass density of water into V1. This is the formula for buoyant force, and the buoyant force by mercury will be mass density of mercury into V2 into G. So if we divide by rho W on both left hand side and right hand side, we'll get here rho B by rho W into VB, and this G will get cancelled. So here we'll get V1 and the remaining term is 13.6 is nothing but specific gravity of mercury. If we divide this rho Hg by rho W, then it will be nothing but specific gravity of mercury, that is 13.6. And this V2 we can write it as VB minus V1. How? As we have defined, VB is equal to V1 plus V2. So this VB is the total volume, V1 is the volume which is present in water, and V2 in mercury. So if we solve this equation, we will get a relation between VB and V1, as you can see. So this V1 by VB into 100 will come out as 5 by 12.6 into 100. So this will come approximately 39.7. So that is equal to 40. So C.